So this one is called the Bird Dog row. Very similar to one you've probably seen before where you're using the bench like this, but we set it up a bit different. This knee is the one I'm planting on. The opposite leg is going to come up. Now I'm in kind of a bird dog scenario, right? But instead of lifting the arm straight up, I'm going to do my row from here. Okay? I'm trying to maintain stability using my core, and I'm trying to keep everything flat with the floor as far as my shoulders and my hips are concerned. This leg, we don't want it down here. This isn't really going to do a whole lot for us. It actually throws our balance off a bit. Make sure it stays extended up, and you shouldn't feel this in your back. It should be all through the core here. Okay?